The 2025 Acura ZDX Type S marks Acura's entry into the electric vehicle market. This 5-seat electric SUV is a high-tech powerhouse, learning from others' mistakes to deliver a refined driving experience. The ZDX's design is distinctly Acura, with styling cues from the precision EV concept. Its large dimensions are masked by 22-inch wheels. Inside, the cabin is organized with a big touchscreen and quality materials, though some plastics feel cheap. The Type S model boasts 499 horsepower and 544 pound-feet of torque, delivering impressive acceleration. However, the steering feels heavy, deviating from Acura's hallmark nimbleness. Regenerative braking is effective, minimizing the need for the Brembo brakes. The ZDX features hands-free cruise, akin to GM's Super Cruise, allowing semi-autonomous driving. It handles lane changes and curves smoothly. Like other Acuras, the ZDX is a decent deal, at least by luxury EV standards. The rear-drive ZDX A-Spec lists for $65,850, which isn't cheap, but you get a lot. Real leather, awesome stereo, panoramic roof, and a video rearview mirror, among other things. The 18-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo enhances the driving experience, while the cabin remains quiet. The Acura ZDX is a luxurious tech-packed SUV, though it lacks the traditional Acura feel. While die-hard fans might miss the brand's signature character, the ZDX offers a compelling electric option for luxury SUV enthusiasts. All in all, we really like the Acura ZDX. It's handsome, posh, and packed with marvelous technology, and it seems like it'd be a lovely luxury SUV to live with. Our biggest issue is that, while it looks like an Acura, it doesn't really feel like an Acura. But for its athleticism, it bears more resemblance to a classic American luxury car, right down to the view out over the broad hood, a smaller version of what you'd see driving a 70s land yacht. Die-hard Acura fans might find too little of the character that drew them to the brand, but for everyone else, the 2024 Acura ZDX is a lovely electric SUV that is sure to please its owners. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Acura ZDX Type S. Stay tuned for our next review. See you on the road.